Hi guys, I thought I'd give you a close-up of me. It's nice to show yourself off close when you've gone to so much trouble. And by saying that, the people that do it know what I'm talking about. The people that haven't done it, wow, and you're gonna try it, you're in for a big surprise. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do underneath to make your body look the shape you want it to look. And that can be uncomfortable at times. But it's what is out there that makes you want to look the best you can. And as I said, it's out there. If you really want to do it properly, all you have to do is look and buy the stuff to make yourself look pretty well spot on, like I am. And on that note, have a good day.